Is out. Rebound by Alves. Alves passing to Tubias. Tubias. Big check. Intercepted again by Castrense. Castrense laser. Is good. Timeout. Lipay is now a warning on penalty. 2 free throws for Alves. First throw is out. Last throw. Ball play by Alves. Is good design by number 29 Alves. Castrense on the dribble. Last 10 seconds. Castrense attack. He's out, follow up by Mendoza. Is good. Second personal foul on Rolla. Correction, first personal foul. Castrense is good by number 8, Castrense. Is out, last throw, ball play. Is good this time, last 28 seconds. Rolla. To Mendoza is good. Last 16 seconds. Congratulations to Team Luzon for entering the finals. Lipay Luan, maglalaro kayo sa third and fourth, alas 6 ng April 11 at exactly 6 o'clock. Ang susunod po doon, championship.